Welcome to today's class where we will explore the incredible journey of human development from the moment of conception to birth. By the end of this session, you will be able to answer key questions about chromosomes, heredity, prenatal development, and childbirth. So let's dive right on in. Chromosomes are thread-like structures located in the nucleus of every cell. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, making for a total of 46, 23 from the mother and 23 from the father. Each chromosome is made up of DNA, which includes genes. Genes are basic units of heredity, carrying instructions that dictate how our bodies grow and function. They determine everything from eye color to the susceptibility to certain diseases. While genes set the groundwork for many traits, the environment also plays a crucial role. Factors such as nutrition, exposure to toxins, and social interactions can influence how genes are expressed. This interaction between genetics and environment shapes a child's development in profound ways. So what happens to a fertilized egg in the first 2 weeks after conception? After fertilization, the egg becomes a zygote. This single cell divides and multiplies, forming a blastocyst, which travels down the fallopian tube to the uterus. Around day 6 to 10, it implants itself into the uterine lining, beginning the embryonic stage. During the embryonic stage, which spans from the 3rd to the 8th week, the basic structures of body function begin to form. This includes the heart, brain, and other vital organs. By the end of this period, the embryo starts to take on a more recognizable human shape. From the 9th week until the birth, known as the fetal stage, the body systems continue to develop and mature. By the 7th month, many of these systems are developed enough that a premature baby could potentially survive outside the womb with medical assistance. So, how is prenatal development influenced by a pregnant woman's age, nutrition, and stress she experiences? Well, they can significantly impact prenatal development. Younger and older mothers face higher risk of complications. Proper nutrition is critical for fetal growth, while stress can lead to premature birth or low birth weight. So, diseases also like rubella, drugs such as alcohol and tobacco, and environmental hazards like pollution can also cause severe birth defects or developmental issues. These substances can interfere with the normal developmental processes, leading to lifelong consequences for a child. And the timing of the exposure, the amount of the exposure, and the genetic susceptibility of the fetus all influence how prenatal development can be affected. Harmful substances can be most dangerous during the critical periods of organ formation. So, how can prenatal development be monitored, and can abnormal prenatal development be corrected? Prenatal development can be monitored through ultrasounds, blood tests, and other screening methods. Some conditions can be treated with medications or surgical interventions before birth, though many require postnatal care. What are the stages of labor and delivery? Labor and delivery occur in 3 stages. The first stage includes the dilation of the cervix. The second stage is the delivery of the baby. The third stage is the expulsion of the placenta. And some natural ways of coping with pain birth, besides using the normal epidural, which goes in through the back, or intravenous methods of pain relief. Natural pain relief methods, including breathing exercises, massage, hydrotherapy, and using birthing balls, can help manage pain and provide comfort without medical intervention. Some complications that can occur during childbirth is prolonged labor, breech presentation, which is where the baby is coming feet first, and umbilical cord issues, such as whenever the umbilical cord is wrapped around the baby's neck. These may require medical intervention, such as cesarean sections. So, what about infant mortality? Well, in developed countries, infant mortality is often related to premature birth and congenital abnormalities. In less developed countries, factors include poor maternal health, inadequate medical care, and infectious diseases. And finally, what are some adjustments that parents have to make? Parents must adjust to the physical and emotional demands of caring for a newborn. This includes managing sleep deprivation, learning to understand their baby's needs, and balancing responsibilities as a new parent. Understanding these fundamental aspects of human development can help us to appreciate the complexities of and the wonder of life from conception to birth. So thank you for joining today's session. I hope you feel more confident about answering some of these critical questions. If you have any kind of questions that you need to have answered, feel free to reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much and you have a wonderful day.